Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to switch to the Korean language setting in Notion. Modifying the language setting in Notion is a breeze. Here's a brief tutorial to assist you in transitioning to the Korean language. To begin with, initiate the process by clicking on Settings and Members, located at the upper section of the left sidebar. This serves as your entryway to tailor your Notion interaction. Once you have entered this realm, navigate to Language and Region within the sidebar of the new window. This is where the enhancement takes place. Ready? Proceed by clicking the initial drop-down menu. Choose the Korean language from the available options. And lo and behold, you have now effectively adjusted your Notion language setting to Korean. Revel in the seamless experience catered to your linguistic preference. Keep in mind that Notion consistently broadens its array of language choices, so stay alert for upcoming possibilities. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and I'll see you in the next video.